What's going on, guys? Emoji here. So just wanted to report on my Antutu benchmark scores for the Umidigi S2 Pro. So this phone has scored 72,000 and I've not made any kind of modifications on this phone whatsoever, as you guys can see. One thing I would like to mention is that I flashed the basic ROM that is provided by Umidigi, and I do recommend people install that ROM instead of the factory ROM that was provided on your phones when you bought it. The reason for that is that the factory ROM has a number of additional applications that you guys don't really need, and I've seen people post their scores online as well, and the score has been mid 60,000s. So the basic ROM will provide a significant improvement in performance of your phone. Thank you for watching. I hope you find this video useful.